Hi, my honeybees. I'm Priya. I'm from Bihar, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is day third of this series, where I share two simple things that can improve your English and my English too. Okay. So today we will practice shadowing method. Yeah. So first of all, let me tell you what is shadowing. Shadowing is just copying an English speaker. Okay, and it's like shadow means perchai, so you have to copy the speaker's tone, how they're speaking, how they're taking pause, everything, and how are they making their face. So it's basically copying, mimicry, I would say. Yeah, but it's very important for shadowing method. It's very important to choose one English speaker. Choose any English speaker. My favorite English speaker is Priyanka Chopra. And you know what, sometimes some people told me that sometimes I do sound like Priyanka Chopra. Sometimes, not very often, but yeah, I do sound like her. So today I'm going to show you how do I do shadowing practice. So let's see. So this is the podcast. This is a new podcast, okay, which is uploaded on the channel J Shetty podcast. Okay, here is the video. It's been only 2 weeks since this episode is posted on their YouTube channel. So I have only seen this video just for 16 minutes, but ये 1 घंटा 44 मिनट का है. 44 ना, 40 41 42 43 44 41 42 43 44, हाँ. Sorry. तो ये है 1 घंटा. So this is 1 hour and 44 minutes, this video. Okay, so first I will play this video.
Got a text saying her birth is
I
gonna
don't
be
know if
put
it's
out. We
say.
were kind of forced to. What's the most surprising thing? My daughter.
You know what? Earlier, I used to watch every single video with subtitles on, but now I have improved a lot. Now I can understand without looking at subtitles. You can see the growth. Okay,
And also, I think I've found a sense of
listen to her, how she's speaking. Grab her, some sentences also.
peace. I ran really fast for a really long time.
I ran really fast for a very long time. Oh God, how she speaks. Damn, I'm really fan of her. Once more, this line, oh gosh.
My daughter. And also, I think I've found a sense of peace.
Wait.
I ran really fast for a really long time.
I ran really
was
fast for a very long time. Oh God, how she speaks. Damn, bhai, damn.
I knew. I was dropped into a business at a very young age.
So,
I had no idea about.
I had no idea about it.
At a very young age.
See.
I had no idea about. Nobody in my family had any idea about.
I had no idea about. Oh, so the first thing you have to do is pick your favorite English speaker and play their video. It could be Priyanka Chopra, Alia Bhatt, or maybe Shraddha Kapoor, or some actors. Or there are few people from another country. They also speak very well. Just like I know a girl. Her name is, I guess, I don't remember her name, but she was too good. I really don't remember, but whatever. So choose your favorite English speaker and then copy their tone, copy their rhythm, copy how they're speaking. Fine. So this is the first thing you have to do. And today I'm going to watch this full video. Also, while you're watching any video, just write down some sentences that you can speak in your daily conversation, that you can use in your daily conversation. It's very important because You know, learning, you can learn words, right? You can learn words, but you have to use it in a sentence. Instead, you can learn some sentences, right? वर्ड से अच्छा आप सेंटेंस यूज याद कर लोगे तो आप उसको अपने डेली कॉन्वर्सेशन में यूज कर सकते हो. That's very good. So if you're a beginner, don't focus on learning words. Focus on learning sentences that you can use while talking to someone, while speaking in front of the camera, while talking to yourself. Fine. And the second thing, so the first thing was shadowing method. Shadowing.
It started gig to gig. So when I first started,
Whatever
it was
she's
just like,
speaking,
wow,
just copy her
keep
accent.
moving. What's the next thing? And
What's the next
it
thing?
was sort of like this weird training
It was sort of like weird training
that I didn't know how to unlearn.
that I didn't know how to learn.
And I didn't know that there was any other way of being.
And I didn't know that there was other being.
And over the last few years, and I don't know if it's the influence of
And over the last few years, I don't know if there's influence of
my husband moving countries,
my husband moving country,
um, working at a different pace,
wor-
becoming a
working at a different pace,
parent. I,
becoming a parent.
maybe it's a confluence of all of them,
Maybe it's a
but
conclusive. Maybe it's a conclusive all of them.
I feel at a sense of peace
I feel a sense of peace
with what I've been able to achieve and what I may or
with what I've been able to achieve,
may not achieve.
or what
Like initially,
what I may not achieve. So today, this is the only thing you have to do. No, so this is the first thing you have to do. Copy the speaker. Copy the English speaker. So I'm gonna copy her today. Fine. And also I'm going to write some sentences in my notebook. Also, I will focus on some, not phrases, but some paragraphs that can motivate someone, that I can use while sometimes I do record videos for motivation, right? So there I can use. And it's not only about I'm copying her. It's good to copy someone. It's good to copy someone. Okay, so the first thing is you have to shadow. You have to do shadowing method. And the second thing you have to do is write some sentences that you can use in your daily conversation. Fine. So the second thing was write the sentences or some paragraphs that you can use in a daily conversation. First thing, shadowing method. Second, I already told you. Okay, that's it. And don't worry, I'm gonna tell you why I do repeat things. Don't you guys think I do repeat so many things? But that's okay. That's a part of learning phase, and I'm on my learning phase. So that's okay to repeat things. If I repeat words, if I repeat sentences, my mom is here. Okay, if I repeat words, if I repeat sentences, so I will learn. That's how I will learn English. That's how you will also learn English, or this language. So repeating some words, repeating some sentences is not bad. It's good instead. Fine. And I don't know, there were people in my comment box in my first video's comment box. They were saying, why you keep starting this series again and again? But okay, I don't want to reply, but it's my channel, and I'm allowed to do that, right? I'm allowed to do that. It's my channel, it belongs to me. Of course, one more thing, that I was not feeling well for the past 2 weeks, mentally, not physically, mentally, because of someone. Yeah. If you want, I can share that story in a story time. If you want it. And yesterday night, I did journaling a little bit. Uh, and after writing my thoughts in a diary, on a paper, I was feeling light. I was feeling good. And I slept peacefully. Trust me, I slept peacefully. I cannot even tell you the feeling after writing the thoughts. And if you don't know how what is journal, how to do journaling, I can tell you. I can tell you in tomorrow's video, but you have to comment down that if you want or not. So journaling is very good. I have seen many creators. They do journal their thoughts. Their they document their life in a piece on a piece of paper. In a piece of paper on a piece of paper on a piece of paper. Yeah. I guess you guys also sometimes confuse like this that where to use in on speak mistake. Like mistakes are very good. I think like that. And today, you know what? I was watching something and I learned one line, and that is the I can't forget that line. That line lives rent free in my head, in my mind. And the line is wait. And the line is why I'm behaving like sometimes I overreact. What do you guys think? Hmm? Okay. So the line is good people, good girls don't get anything. Good girls, good people don't get anything. Bold girls or bitch girls get everything. Bitch girls get everything, every single thing. And I have also seen Priyanka Chopra saying this line: "Good girls don't make history. Bold people make history. Bold girls make history. Bold people make history." Yeah. So be a bold girl. Be a bold person. Don't start being mean. Start being mean. Um selfish. Being selfish is also important. And why are you here? Why are you on earth? You are here just to make your life more comfortable for you, not to make more comfortable for others. If someone is uncomfortable, it's their job to pick themselves, right? It's their job to fix their own life, fix their own shitty life. Then why are you? And one more thing I want to tell you, I'm not cutting any split, or I'm not cutting anything here. It's just a straight video. So yesterday when I was out, I went out from my house just to purchase one diary because I wanted to start journaling. So in the auto, a girl was talking about a girl. A girl was talking about a girl. I don't know if she was her classmate or not. So she was telling her friend that she craves attention. उसका थोड़ा सा भी हाथ कट जाएगा तो उसका स्नैप भेज देगी, वो दवा खाती है तो उसका भी स्नैप भेजती है, वो पता नहीं इसका क्या है, ऐसे वो बात कर रही थी. ब्रो, why you talking about other people? Just okay, I get it. Maybe she was talking with her friend. That's why she was bitching about her classmate. But I think we should stop this. Don't you guys think we should stop this? I don't do this anymore. I don't bitch about people. Why to? Why do you care about people? If you're in your 20s, if you're in your early 20s, just focus on yourself. It's not it's not the time of focusing in a relationship एक फ्रेंड को ऐसे पकड़ना जो जाना चाहता है, वो जो जाना चाहती है, तुम उसको पकड़ के क्यों रख रहे हो? Let her go away from your life. Let him go away from your life. Why are you just trying to grab her? Fuck, bro. I guess I've spoken a lot. By the way, um, do you guys love to listen me when I talk? Hmm? I just wanted to know. So yeah, so today it's 11:28. I haven't taken my breakfast. Oh gosh. So I have only few times to watch that video to write everything. Also, I have to edit this. I have to edit this vlog. No, not the vlog, but I have to edit this video. Okay, fine. I'll see you.